This year we have expanded our capabilities and our ability to produce any number of leather patch hats. Leather patch hats like these have been extremely popular the last few years, and we've been making a ton of them. With these hats, you have the ability to pick your patch style, your patch color, your custom artwork. We will use your artwork to produce the patches in whatever shape that you want. We can do these in quantities of as minimum. We really like to do a minimum of 12. We can do one hat if you have to, although the price on one hat is a little bit higher. The minimums on these really is around 12 per color of cap. So if you want different colors like a green and you want a red, those will both be a minimum of 12. But we can produce them in any quantities you want. You want 12 hats, 1 dozen. You want 15 dozen. You want 100 dozen. Doesn't matter. We can produce these for you. Now, what makes our hats different? This is real leather. A lot of the other producers out there are using a fake leather. Hey, if you want fake leather, by all means, go get that, whatever. But here at Odin Leather Goods, we are a leather shop. We produce our hat patches in real leather. If you need the hats, great. We supply the hats for you. We have our house brand, which is this Kamal brand and Cambridge brands that we've been using, and they come in different styles. Let me actually share some of the styles with you. Beanie style, no problem, classic beanie. We have this camper style, which has been really, really popular this year. It's this flatter bill and this flatter panel here has been really popular with some of the young folks. This is what we call a camper style. And this one particularly is in a hydro mesh, which is like a moisture wicking athletic performance style material. This is one of the hats that's been real popular. We have the classic curved brim with mesh back. Now, this is my house brand. This is my Camille house brand, but I also can get these in the Yupong brand as well as the Richardson 112 brand. If that's what you prefer, they're a little pricier, but we can do those in those brands also. Most people have just been going with our house brands. House brand does come in any color you want. I believe there's 95 different color combinations available, and there's even more if you want to go custom. So this is that classic trucker curved brim mesh back style that so many people have wanted over the last few years. If you really want to go classic and retro, you can go with a foamy. Now, I used to not like foam hats, but I've actually come to love them. They have a very retro style. The foam on the front, the mesh on the back. It's actually kind of cool. This is one of the options we have. And again, this one does come in a variety of colors. So I'm showing you black and gray right now, but you can get them in almost any color you want. That's available. There's also the flat brim style. This is more of a classic trucker. That's available. Here's another curved brim, but this one has a full cloth back on it. That's available. And then lastly is the classic dad hat. Dad hats are more of an unstructured cap with the clip in the back. If you want a dad hat, that's your style, we have those available. Pretty much we have a style of hat for everyone, but our most popular ones would be the flat brim trucker and the classic curved brim. These are probably the ones we sell the most. But it really doesn't matter. Get whatever color you want, whatever style you want. These are available online. You can look them over. You see the styles. And all you do, if you want to order, you go online, place your order for whatever number that you want, and then you call us or put in the notes of the order what color you want. And then we will send back to you all the color options. It's a really simple ordering process. We've really got this down to fine science. You send your artwork in a vector format. Vector formats include a Adobe Illustrator format like AI. They also include SVG, EPS. Some PDFs are vector, some are not. You have to check, but it doesn't matter. Send us your artwork. We will help you sort all those details out. And within a few days, week-long turnaround on some of our smaller orders, 2 weeks on some of the larger orders, we can get your custom leather patch hats out to you, no problem. So really happy to offer these in such a great variety and also do them with a very fast turnaround. If you have questions about this, reach out to us here at Odin Leather Goods. Call the store, talk to the staff. Any of us are happy to help you out, and we will get you squared away with your brand for your company, your organization, your event. These are great for weddings, by the way, for the groomsmen and people like that. You have a family reunion coming up, another great way to support the family. And of course, your company, whether it be a real estate company, construction company, any company you think of, restaurant, brewery, we can get your brand, your custom shape, and your custom artwork on a hat for you in real leather, not the fake stuff. We don't do that around here. Okay. Thanks all. Take care. Let us know how we can help you here at Odin Leather Goods. See you later.